Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Cadillacquer, the underestimated one, and I'm going to do some stamping. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is Cadillacquer, and it is such a gorgeous thermal, the underestimated one. When it's in its normal state, I guess you would say, it's this beautiful fuchsia purple with all those copper flakies in it. Oh my. This is one I picked up from Polish Pickup. Excuse the dryness of my skin around my nails. It is winter and we're having some issues. So here we go with our second coat of the underestimated one. I only picked up two polishes from Polish Pickup, this one and another one that will be shown here on my channel very soon. Loved this polish. Love, love. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, get it to dry down so that I can do my playing. And today I'm going to do kind of a Valentine-y type manicure with my stamping. This color isn't like spot on, but it's going to work. And here is BM411 and BM317, old Bunder Monster plates, my Beauty Scraper and my Conad Stamper, and I've got out Nicole Diary's white stamping polish today. And I'm just going to pull different images off of this plate. They're all relatively Valentine's. So we're going to put this on the little pinky nail here, little heartbeat. Oh, and it didn't stick. So I'm going to have to use Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls and redo that rascal. I just removed it with a piece of tape, what did stick to the nail, and I'm just going to redo this. I have applied that sticky base to all of my nails, and as you can see, this thermal has changed to like a gray. It's not that vibrant fuchsia anymore. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and when I get around to cleaning the plate, it will be with acetone, but since I'm not reusing that image, I'm not worried about cleaning it right now. So here we go with our next one. I love this XOXO with the hearts in there too. That's so cute. I just couldn't resist. So I really enjoy thermals, and I talk about how, it doesn't bother me that eventually they lose their thermal power, that they stop changing. I just always make sure that I like it in whatever, well, I actually like to make sure I like it in both states that you can see the polish in. Then that way when it stops working, I've still got a polish that I love. And to be honest with you, I've got lots of thermals in my collection that I've had for many years, and most of them still work just fine. So, I do try to keep my thermals in a dark, cool place. I don't keep them out on shelves where they can get hit with the sunlight and stuff and the lights from my house. So maybe that has some bearing on it. I don't know. So I did end up picking different images for each and every nail. I did more full coverage on my thumb and ring finger, and the other nails I left a little more open space so I could still see that beautiful base polish. I am cleaning up everything with some acetone. And now I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and clean up around the edges a little bit. Not a whole lot to clean up. This was a pretty clean manicure. I'll be topping it with the Maniology's smudge-free top coat. And you can see that transitioning going on with the base polish. I just think it's so pretty. And now that it's all done and the Maniology top coat is dry, I'm going to apply some Poshe top coat, and this one will be complete. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.